Ramadan Mubarak. This is one of most requested recipes for Ramadan. We will make Baingan Bhajia or Baingan Pakore or Eggplant Pakore, whatever name you know it by. Let's get started. To a cup of besan or chickpea flour, I added half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of salt. I used pink salt, you can use regular salt. I use half teaspoon of ajwain and half teaspoon of chaat masala. I chopped in 1.5 green chili, and this you can adjust to your taste. And then I used about half cup to 3/4 cups of water. It depends on your chickpea flour, how much water you're going to use, but it's about half cup to at the most 3/4 cups. In the meanwhile, I've got my karai warming up on medium heat with oil, and I ended up using about a whole cup of water to mix this batter. And it was a thick batter, not very it wasn't very slippery. It was just much thicker so that you can coat the bhajia pretty well. And then I added 3 tablespoons of coriander or dhania. As you can see, this bhajia batter is on the thicker side. I'll mix everything once I've added the cilantro. And then I take 2 baingans. These are small to medium sized baingans, and I have sliced them very thinly, and then I will add them to the batter and then fry them. Now to the baingan, we are going to apply a generous layer of the besan and then fry them. And when you fry them, it'll be 10 minutes on one side, and then you flip them and 10 minutes on the other side until it turns golden brown. It might be less than 10 minutes, but about 8 to 10 minutes on each side. Spread the bhajias in one single layer, and I fried them between 8 to 10 minutes on one side, and I used medium low heat, and it stayed on mostly medium heat, but I had to flip in between. And after about 8 to 10 minutes, you flip them, and once they're golden fried on both sides, you can remove them and drain them on paper towel. And once they are drained on paper towel and the excess oil is removed, then you can sprinkle it with chaat masala and serve it with any chutney of your choice. I'm serving it with some ketchup. Makes a great appetizer for Ramadan. It also makes a great appetizer for any time. It's a very quick, easy, and very delicious side appetizer. Do try it if you've not had it before. Do try it. It's very easy to make, and it was a big hit in my house. See you later with a new recipe. After frying the first round, I fried the second round. And this makes a very good, easy, quick appetizer, and everyone likes it. It was a great hit in my house. Do try it. I'm sure you'll make it again and again. See you later. Bye for now.